Amazing initiative of Miss Kavi. Most of my media people are like, really?
Tourism is not only about animals. It's about our food, the way we walk, the way we are created, our curves. You know, yes, that's about us. You may hate it or what, but that's what we are. That's what we are, and that's what we market. We are marketing this country with its people. We want to celebrate this. This is the true African beauty. The way we, their bodies are, it tells a story about us. If you say Mnankole woman, the way those curves, they have a story. There is a story behind that. This is not about being immoral. No, it's about appreciation, the way we are.
The minister's linkage of women's bodies to tourist attraction to promote tourism is so unethical. It's degrading, it's dehumanizing us as women, and a direct attack on women's dignity. When we request that you call upon Honorable Chirwanda to retract his derogatory remarks and apologizes to we the citizens of Uganda, and most so with the women of Uganda.
Anything that would point to Uganda promoting sex tourism, I think it's not acceptable. Because you cannot say that people should come and see the big buttocks of Ugandan women. Okay, see them and then do what? One would have no problem with people doing their contests, yeah. But to say they are being done so that people can come to Uganda to see buttocks, big buttocks, I think that's not right. So I will deal with this situation, and I'll let you know.
Okay.
Oh, so